Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You have a camera and permission. Start scanning immediately. Open the camera or a dedicated QR scanner app and point it at the code from 3-6 inches away. Make sure the code fills most of the frame. This improves contrast and decoding speed. Once the scanner recognizes the pattern, it will show a preview or prompt. Don't wait. Tap the preview to open or inspect it. This first action gets you to the decoded content and prevents errors caused by. Once done, examine what the QR reveals before you proceed. If it's a link, preview the URL and check the domain for misspellings or suspicious characters. Attackers hide payloads behind similar names. If it's text, read the full message or copy it to a safe app. You can also use an alternative scanner to cross-verify the decode. When a prompt asks to open a website or download, pause and decide. This step prevents phishing and unwanted installs. You're almost done. Open the verified link in your browser or save the decoded text to your notes, then share only with trusted contacts. If the QR contains contact data, import it directly into your address book after confirming details. For records, export or screenshot the result. If scanning fails, clean the lens, increase ambient light, or hold the camera slightly farther. Alternate scanners or a manual image import often resolve stubborn or damaged codes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.